Kalau kita
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Nur Sabri.
and my name is Ahmad Muaz bin Muhaspa. We are from Group RNG.
So today we're gonna demonstrate to you the system of we need to do, which is automated meter reading. So this is how it works. Basically, this is the program we use to run this image processing. So let me just show you the outcome of this coding. So as you can see, it displays our GUI, which is needed in this course. And the meter reading is displayed as 2994, which is correct based on the original image. So how does the system do this, you might ask? The system will first take the original image and change it into a grayscale, which is just turning it into a black and white form. And the second step is to blur the image, which is making the image blur by a certain value that we set. And the last one is we threshold the image, which will be read by the system in order to output this value to our main interface. So as you can see from the original image, it is detecting not just the digits, but it's also detecting the separation between the digits. So in order to fix this, we adjust our code so that it will read the separation as a line, which will be then eliminated because the program will only read digits. So other than digits, it will eliminate those. So we got the final reading, which will be output in our main interface here, right here. Okay, so Moss.
Okay, so how does it take this image and detects the numbers, you might ask? So let's take a look at so a bit close. No, close the okay. So
It's not closing. Why is it not closing?
it's not closing. Okay.
It's closing.
Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is, of course, we need to take a lot of images. Not this one. As you can see over here, we have a lot of images of meter readings. And all of these images are then, we extract one by one. As you can see here, by using Photoshop, we can extract one by one of this, and we can make it into a template. So this template, we will use this particular template in order to match with all of the numbers. As you can probably tell, we need a lot of pictures so that we can get a lot of numbers ranging from 0 to 9, as well as a lot of variations of the numbers so that our coding becomes more robust. So let's take a look at another coding, which is separate from the one Sabri just showed right now. So this one is called gen data, which stands for generate data. And this coding will create a model file that we will use in order to fit what we have, uh, to fit the image to that model file that we've just created. So let me run this program, and yeah, so this is how it looks like. It will show you your image template, and these two images are the one that it detects as something that might be valuable and with the data. So right now it's asking you whether or not this is a data, first of all, and then it asks you what that data particularly is. So now you need to show what it is. So for instance, this one is 0, that one is number 5, and this one is number 2. And we're going to skip through all of this because we already have the main file. So random numbers for now, and done. So when you already did this, you can see that in your folder, the main project folder, you will have this classification file and this image file. Now both of these files are in XML files, and they look like this, and they only contain all of the data that we just did just now. And this both of these files, you need to copy it into the other program's project file. As you can see, we already have classifications and images, and it will use these files to match.
As a brain of this project, of this coding.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So they act as a brain of this program. As you can see, we have a lot of pictures here that we used to test. A lot of pictures that we needed to try.
A lot of pictures.
Yes. So,
Okay, so
once again, let's look at the final program once more. Compiling it, running it, and yes, it shows our results, and this is how
Matches
it
the original
matches.
image. So that is our outcome of this project. So we can say that our project is successful and run very closely.
So thank you. That is all from us, and we'll see you guys another time. Tutup lu!